Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Reality Metaverse token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for education purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Reality Metaverse launched by the founders of the sisters company Reality Games, established in 2026. Reality Metaverse is a gamified ecosystem that allows users to own, buy and sell digital assets at financial NFTs used in games. Reality Metaverse introduced a new blockchain mechanics focus on a sustainable hold to earn model. This model allows users to hold digital assets to earn a share of the revenue generated from games. Whenever these assets are monetized via in-app purchases, a portion of games profit is distributed among NFT holders in the form of RMV utility token, which is used for all transactions in the platform. The unique model enables users to earn RMV tokens and leverage the power of decentralized autonomous organization DAOs to decide which future games should be included in the ecosystem and founded by community, providing game developers with an additional source of potential investment. Reality Metaverse project institution rating is 4.2 and this project audited by Ceritic. Reality Metaverse token total supply is 1 billion and circulating supply is around 249.89 million RMV token. RMV token is listed on KuCoin, MEXC, Flonix and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 70% chances that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.